Here are the test.com August questions covering the NCE and CPCE for 2025. Wayground, formerly known as Quiz. These codes are good until August the 31st, so make sure that you like and subscribe if you haven't already to get access to the codes as they come out. So, happy studying. As mentioned, these are the join game codes: treatment planning, professional practice, area to clinical focus, intake assessment diagnoses, counseling skills and interventions, and core counseling attributes. These subjects are the other combination with Dr. Rosenthal, so a total of 14 areas covered. So, I said in my other slide about some study tips. I always say just use one or two study materials. Don't overwhelm yourself with trying to buy everything because you're just going to overwhelm yourself and feel like you have to know everything. And you don't have to know everything to pass this exam. You just have to know enough to know the difference between the theories. So, let me know in the comments, what have you been using to study for your exam and what do you feel that works?